You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Spanish. In Spanish, let's break it down. It's pronounced real. Now, this is a faux ami, meaning like it doesn't mean real. In Spanish, it means royal, as in from the royal family, the kings, right, or queens. Royal is what it means. So it's not pronounced real, it's pronounced real. Real, as in the Real Madrid, Real Sociedad, Real Betis, Real. Quite a few football clubs are Real. In English, you can say it as Real. Spanish pronunciation, how to pronounce Real. In English, how to pronounce real. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.